Hi, everybody. This short video begins to step into the assignment that's due at the end of the course, which is the research proposal. And this video is going to talk about the components of the introduction that are listed in the rubric. So I've uploaded this document as well as this video to help with making sure that you know what to do for these introduction components. And then later we'll have videos on the method and the results components as well. But this is to get you started. You should be looking for a research topic, thinking about a question that you are interested in that you can address using empirical research. So what you learned about in chapters 1 and 2. In a few weeks, we'll also have a research proposal check-in to see if you're on track or things you might need to be working on to complete the assignment successfully. So let's take a look at the rubric. Identifies an appropriate research question. And what I've done is just provide examples of what would be expected in the final proposal for these elements. And these examples are taken from a paper that's admittedly much longer than the 5 pages that are required to complete this assignment. Also, I need to make an announcement about this. The video from last week on the rubric, it said 2 pages, and I kept saying 2 pages. It should have said 5 pages to match the syllabus. But I'll state that clearly as well in an announcement to the class. So anyways, this is the paper that I'm pulling from. And for this assignment, I don't want you to write this is a 20-page paper. We're looking for 5 pages. So I've just pulled relevant pieces from this paper just to show you examples of what we're looking for. So identify the research question to be studied. That's this section. Include a brief literature review that positions your study relative to existing research. That's what this example has. I included a figure here. You don't have to have a figure. That's not part of the assignment, but if it's helpful for you, you can include a figure. So that's the literature review, these pieces. The next piece describes the significance, relevance, and importance of the current study. Here's an example, again, taken from that paper, but this would satisfy the requirements for the assignment. And then finally, the hypotheses. You need to have a short description of how you're going to examine the research question and state your hypothesis. It could be just one hypothesis. It doesn't have to be 3 like we have here. I hope this is helpful for meeting the requirements of the introduction component, and there will be more on the methods component forthcoming.